So you'd like to know what are the basic tools you need in order to start making mosaics? Well, you're in the right place. I'm Helen Miles, and I'm going to teach you all the tips and tricks you need to start making mosaics at home. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, then please subscribe below. So we're going to look at the 5 basic tools you need to start making mosaics. These are my 5 absolutely essential tools, but be aware that they're just the beginning. There are many more tools that we'll look at later, but in order to get started, I recommend that you get these 5 mosaic tools. First, we're going to start with the straight-jawed tile nipper, which is also called a side biter. This is a tool that you need to cut ceramic tiles. It's a simple tool which you hold in one hand, and there is a spring between the 2 handles which helps bring the blades together. As you can see, it has 2 straight-edged blades which almost meet, but not quite, and you place the tile between the blades in order to cut it. I'll be making a video soon about how to cut the tiles. This tool is very inexpensive. You can easily find it in a hardware shop or a Mosaic supplier, and it will cost you about £12. Sometimes the ceramic tiles can be hard to cut, so if you're looking for an upgrade on the straight-jawed tile nipper, then consider getting this compound tile cutter, which is also for ceramic. This is my grubby one that I use all the time, and I find it's much lighter to use. In fact, if you're only going to buy one tool for cutting ceramic, then this would be my preferred option. Even though it's a heavier tool, you need less pressure to cut the tile, so it's gentler and softer on the hand. However, it's a bit more expensive. This one costs about £24, but I do recommend it. It's a wonderful tool and very easy and practical to use. So my number 2 essential tool is this one for cutting glass. For glass cutting, you need a Leponitt wheeled glass cutter like this, which works on the same principle as the tile cutter, but instead of having the straight-edged blade, you have these 2 wheeled blades for cutting the glass. This tool is fairly expensive. It costs £25, so they're not cheap, but you can buy replacement wheels for when they wear out, and there's no reason why a tool like this would not give you many, many years of happy glass cutting. So my number 3 essential mosaic tool are these angle jaw mosaic tweezers. Nothing could be simpler, and they're super cheap. They only cost £3, and they're, for me, a pretty essential accessory. They're great for placing tricky tiles exactly where you want them, and for tilting a tile that's already been placed. My number 4 essential mosaic tool is a simple Stanley knife. You just need a Stanley knife with lots of nice sharp spare blades. Again, another cheapo but essential tool which you'll need for cutting weddy board or jacko board, the compressed foam board which is commonly used as a substrate for mosaics. So I bet you have this tool anyway, so that makes life easier. And my number 5 essential tool are these handy-dandy stainless steel picks, which I'm pretty sure are dentist tools, and they come in inexpensive sets of 6. I think a set like this won't cost you more than £4, and they're just wonderful for doing all kinds of jobs, and I couldn't live without them. So there you have it, my 5 essential mosaic tools. First of all, the ceramic tile cutters, the straight-jawed side biter and the compound tile cutter. Then there is the Leponitt wheeled glass cutter. And then there's the angled Mosaic tweezer. Then the Stanley Knife. And the lovely stainless steel picks. So these are my 5 essential tools to get you started making mosaics. I hope that helps.